Just tell them, oh, I want to kiss you right now. I want that so bad. Don't just kiss one place. Go and try to kiss the upper lip. Good tip is don't be selfish, I guess.
Maybe we could try the first kiss, yeah?
Your lips are just so juicy and pink, and I just don't know.
Thank you again so much for being my guest today.
Yeah,
Can you show me
right.
maybe how you would position your body in a way that shows that you're interested?
The way you carry yourself, just like maybe how you put your hair away, or maybe
nice,
you
yeah.
touch your cheek like, oh my God, such an interesting story. Look for too long and maybe touch your lip like that.
Oh, that is pretty nice. Yeah, that is nice.
Stuff like that, you know,
Yeah,
small
okay.
things.
Oh, okay, that does sound really interesting.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's very
Yeah.
sensual. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then slowly, you're kind of like maybe, oh my God, I love the color of your nails. That's so cute.
Thank
I want this
you.
color.
Yeah, they look nice
Oh.
with your nails, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your skin
Yeah.
is so soft.
Thank you. Thank you. I can say the same for you, definitely. Maybe it's good also to show, like, one person who's interested and the other person who's maybe not, just so we can give you an example of, like...
Go on, make a move on me.
Okay.
That's really exaggerated, but you get the
okay,
feeling.
okay.
Like,
That's you're, like, interested there?
yeah. Like,
Okay.
I'm shy, but like, go on.
Okay,
you
okay.
know?
Like, and what about if you're not interested? And I'm like, kind of...
Maybe like that. Maybe I'm like changing body position a little
I
bit.
see what you mean. You're kind of
Yeah.
like then turning it more into...
Yeah, yeah.
You're physically close and you're looking at each other. Is there anything you like that you would like to hear?
If they're vocal about their desire and attraction, that's really hot.
Okay.
Basically, like dirty talk, actually. And like just tell them, oh, I want to kiss you right now. I want that so bad. Like be 100% transparent. And like, wouldn't you want to look at their reaction?
It's a good question. I want to step into that confidence that you're
Yeah.
like presenting.
Yeah.
But I think I'm still nervous about, I don't know, like being rejected.
Even if they're not ready, you can still like accept the rejection.
Yeah.
Like, for example, I can say, that's really cute. That's really cute. But I'm not there yet.
Okay.
But keep up the energy, please.
I like
really-
that. And what about before you kiss? Is there any other way that you would like kind of start to make the move? Like start to kind of like, yeah.
Maybe like fix my hair a little bit and then, oops, you're touching my jaw.
Oh, okay.
Like that,
Yeah.
and my neck. Maybe your like hand slides there. And
Okay.
we're looking into each other's eyes and like, it's obvious.
Yeah.
We feel it.
It's on the cards. Yeah.
Yeah. And then you can lean in a bit and like see how they react.
Okay.
And maybe like look into their eyes a little bit more
Okay.
and like closer and closer. Yeah.
I like that too, yeah.
Then I don't know, I just get the vibes that I want to kiss you, and you can explicitly ask if you want to do that, if you want to make sure the other person wants to do that.
Yeah.
It's okay. It won't kill the mood, at least for me.
I think so too. I like actually when somebody is confident enough to ask, because asking is actually quite vulnerable because you're open to direct rejection.
Yeah.
And I also like when people start to talk a bit about like what they like as well. You know, like
Talking about it,
I think talking
like
is really
imagining.
nice. Exactly. I have a crazy imagination.
Oh, your hair.
Oh yeah, let's eat my hair as well. So yeah. Yeah.
How do you feel now about the making a move?
I feel a lot more confident than I first did. It's crazy, actually. I don't know why. It feels like I don't know why I've struggled so much before. But I think when you feel so much chemistry, and you can like you really are looking at each other's body language, and you're giving each other lots of moments to express when you're not interested as well. You know, you're like touching the hand, or you're giving a compliment, and you can always at those moments see the reaction, and that gives you confidence to continue. So I guess we're at this point where we're going to talk about the first kiss.
How do you go about your first kiss usually?
Well, I like when it starts off kind of gentle. I don't like when somebody just plants a kiss on me. You know, sometimes people kiss you and they go, "Mwah," and they don't give me a chance to kiss me back.
Yes.
I don't like this because it's kind of like they just push their face on me. I want to go in and I want to play with their lips a little bit. It should be like, for me, like playful and not so serious to begin with. Like you should almost be laughing almost in a way because it's kind of fun to kiss them. You just want to explore. But what do I not like? Yeah, too much, like getting too sloppy or too aggressive too quickly.
So no tongue.
I think I can do tongue on the first kiss, but I generally think it's just nice to just be playful with just your lips. And I think when you're creative and you can have the most amazing time with just using your lips, actually.
I would say don't just kiss one place. Go and try to kiss the upper lip, the lower one. Maybe from the right side, then from the left, and switch up between them.
That's good,
And maybe like grab your with your lips the other lip, like not just kiss.
That's nice. I like
and
that
like
too.
take baby steps and see how they react.
I like
and
that.
if they kind of like awake to your touches, you can go on.
Maybe we could try the first kiss.
You're feeling confident?
I think you're making me feel pretty. I mean, I'm nervous, but I want to kiss you. So
so you want to take the lead on me right now?
I mean, I'm very curious to see how you would do it on me, actually.
Yeah, really?
Maybe you could show me first, and then I could show you.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do it.
Sounds good. And I've been meaning to tell you that I really want to kiss you. And your lips are just so juicy and pink, and I just don't know. I can't help but look at them, but not at your eyes. Okay. They're really beautiful.
Yeah, I feel the same.
Your skin is so soft.
Yeah, yours is too. It's so beautiful. It's very kissable in general, like not just your lips.
That was intense.
It was so intense. I need to drink. You're just making me thirsty. But,
thirsty for more.
Yeah, I think so. Well, thank you so much for showing me such a lovely first way to kiss. I mean, I'm very excited to show you if I can make a move on you.
Yeah.
How do you feel about tongue?
I feel like you can go ahead and try.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is there something that you dislike with tongue?
No. I'm like... A little bit of tongue is always good with me.
Okay.
Yeah. I like playing with the other person's tongue.
Yeah.
Like, it's like a dance.
Yeah. Not too much tongue, but like a little bit playful.
Maybe try touching it a little and then backing off and then more and more and see how they respond.
Yeah. I like this too. I like kind of when you put your tongue out, but then you kind of retract and you want them to come for you next. You kind of like want them to chase your tongue. Yeah. Yeah, I like this too.
So much talking.
I know, it's a lot of talking. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm ticklish.
Yeah. Is it too tickly now?
No, actually perfect.
Yeah, you're just very touchable, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that feels so nice.
Yeah. I would really, really like to kiss you right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How bad?
Really bad.
Maybe you should try doing it then.
Yeah, I would like to.
I love the kiss on my nose at the end.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
Yeah, it was nice.
You're learning so fast.
Wow, I am learning. You've been a pretty amazing teacher, to be honest, today. Yeah.
That was nice.
I'm just in a post-kiss afterglow now. Yeah.
Okay, cool down a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I've kind of went from 0 to 100 today.
I feel like you're a kissing goddess right now.
Wow. So
Yeah.
it feels amazing for you, to hear from you as well.
I loved how you pulled my hair. Oh, please don't make it stop.
Yeah, it was kind of nice to feel also a bit like a little bit more dominant in that moment.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I feel also quite sexy like that too, but I need to feel confident enough to express that side of me, because I can be very coy and shy and playful too, but I think I have both energies, so it's really nice when you have a partner that you can express both with. That's nice. I think what made me feel so confident today with you is just like, I don't know, I feel like you gave me a lot of like physical
reinforcement.
Yeah, reinforcement. Yeah. Like, you also gave me space to warm up, which is nice.
Definitely.
Like we didn't rush anything. And that's good, I think, when you're with a partner who's maybe a little bit like shy or a bit neurodivergent like I am. It doesn't mean that they're not interested, even if their body language takes time to open up.
Yeah.
We're really thankful for Ersties to bring us together. This was a really special day. Yeah.
I agree. So, second date?
Yeah.
Sometime?
I would love that, definitely.
Guitar lessons?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll
Oh my
invite
God.
you.
That would be
Definitely.
amazing. Maybe I could kiss you one more time. Yeah.
Go ahead.